ask you something. When was the last time you set a goal and didn't follow through with it? Maybe it was getting in shape, starting a new morning routine, or finally getting organized. You had the desire, but maybe life got busy, or you felt overwhelmed, or you didn't know where to start. The truth is, it's not about your willpower, it's about your systems. And today, we're going to talk about how to actually make your habits stick by stacking them on the things you already do. Here's the idea. Instead of trying to change your entire routine, you build new habits by attaching them to existing ones. This is called habit stacking. And it's one of the easiest ways to build consistency without needing more motivation. Here are some examples. Do 10 squats while brushing your teeth. Say something you're grateful for, or say a prayer while you're in your car. Take your supplements right after making your bed. Listen to your mindset video or a podcast while going on your walk. When you link the new to the familiar, it becomes automatic. You don't have to think about it. Your routine does the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about the second piece. Focusing on the progress. We all love setting goals. Lose 10 pounds, save $1,000, run a 5K. But the problem is we don't get the results from the goals. We get the results from the systems we build to support those goals. So instead of saying, I want to lose 10 pounds. What if your goal was, let's move for 10 minutes a day. Let's drink 80 ounces of water. Let me do a little bit of meal prepping. Let's prep some snacks for the week. Let me fuel my cells every morning. Those actions, repeated, lead to the results. The process is the goal. One of our challenge participants shared that her goal was to feel more in control, not to lose a certain amount of weight or run a marathon. So she stacked a habit of going on a 5-minute walk after each meal. Just that one habit helped her have more energy, feel less bloated, and proud of herself again, because she was actually following through. Now this is your chance to start stacking habits that last. You don't need to change everything. You just need to find one small action and attach it to something you're already doing. And over the next 14 days and beyond, you'll have built momentum, not pressure. Don't let your goals sit in your notebook or just in your head. Build them into your life. Choose one thing you're already doing and stack one small health habit to it. Even if it's just taking a deep breath to calm your mind, a positive thought, or just a few steps around the block, going on a short little walk. In the next video, we'll talk about hydration and how just getting enough water can unlock more energy, better digestion, and even help with your supplements and essential oils. Help them to work better. Keep it up, everybody. You guys are doing amazing.